Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on an Epson XP-352. This is nice and simple. You can do them from the printer itself using nothing but the small control panel found on the front of the machine. So to get ourselves started, we find ourselves on the home page of the printer, which looks like this. We use the right arrow to get ourselves along to setup. Once you can see setup, indicated by that symbol, we press OK. We go right one, and we're going to go into maintenance. And once we're in maintenance, Printhead Cleaning is the second option, so press right and OK. If we go into that, all you need to do to get started is press this colour copy button here. Now this will take your printer a minute or so, and what it's doing is pushing fresh ink through the printer's printhead to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be causing you print quality issues. So be aware you're going to use some ink, but as an end user, it's pretty much the only way to resolve print quality issues. So highly recommended. And when you're done, you'll be taken to this page showing cleaning complete. Now, whilst you can just press OK and be done with it, go down, there's the option to print a nozzle check, which is like a test page. It shows your printer's ability to print the 4 colours that it uses, like we showed you in our previous video. And I'd certainly recommend this as the next step. And from here, you can just do cleaning cycles and nozzle checks until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. Please do leave me a like if this video has been useful for you, and if you have anything to add, pop it in the comments down below. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.